Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from your video using InShot video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, I'm going to show you how you can remove the InShot watermark from your video for free. You're going to click on this X button and then you can choose free remove, or you can subscribe to InShot to remove the watermark permanently. And the second one, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove watermark from your video. For example, this kind of watermark. For this watermark, we're going to use the mask feature. So wait, I'm going to duplicate this video first. I'm going to click on the video and I'm going to select duplicate. And then I'm going to make it as an overlay. So we can click on switch. Okay, then you're going to put it on the second layer and make it align with the first video, and you're going to click on the layer and select the mask option, and you're going to choose the shape of the mask. I'm going to choose the circle mask, and then we're going to take another part of this video to cover the watermark. I'm gonna go with this one. I think this one can cover this watermark fully, naturally. And I'm going to click on this check mark and drag the mask like this until the watermark can be covered naturally. And then to make it more natural, guys, I'm going to adjust the feather. Hold on, I'm gonna go back to the mask and then I'm going to adjust the feather here. Okay, click on the check mark. Oh, I think I still need to do the adjustment. Okay, let's adjust it one more time. Okay, perfect. As you can see that the watermark has been removed. Okay, let me play it. And I know guys that this trick won't be able to be applied to all types of video, especially if if the watermark is moving. But at least you know the trick to remove a watermark from your video, and you can try it yourself. But if the watermark is moving, I think you can use keyframe. Okay, you can make the mask follow the moving watermark. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove watermark from your video using InShot video editor. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.